Hey guys, Justin here of Tech, and a month ago, the OPPO A92, or I guess you can call it A92, was seen on an online listing in Indonesia and then was launched in Malaysia. Now this new mid-range device is coming our way, and fortunately we already got our hands on one, so let's see how it initially fares and if it's worth checking out. The OPPO A92 sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a punch hole design. The bezels are pretty slim all around, and while the phone does have a chin, it's definitely way smaller compared to the bottom bezel of the other smartphones in the A series. Holding the phone, the A92 feels lightweight and premium. If you're one who hates seeing fingerprints and smudges on your phone, it would be ideal for your unit to be housed in a case instead, because this phone is a fingerprint magnet like other phones. Situated on the rear is its quad camera setup composed of a 48 megapixel primary shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The A92 also has a 16 megapixel front camera housed in that punch hole. On the right is the power button that also works as the fingerprint scanner, while situated on the left is the triple card tray with slots for 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. You can also find here its volume buttons. Meanwhile, located at the bottom of the device are its loudspeaker, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Now powering the OPPO A92 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core CPU with an Adreno 610 GPU. It's also equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Software-wise, the A92 runs on ColorOS 7.1 based on Android 10. Other features of the smartphone include a 5000 mAh battery capacity with support for 18 watts fast charging, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and AI face unlock. For cameras, we'll be giving our full evaluation in our full review, but for now, check out these sample photos. Alright guys, we've yet to take the A92 for a full spin. However, we can say that you should keep the A92 in mind if you're shopping the market for a new mid-range phone. The official price of the OPPO A92 will be announced around this week, so stay tuned for that. So what do you guys think of the OPPO A92? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.